What's going on? It's your boy Cartoon here with Cartoon Review. We'll review anything that a consumer could buy. Today we're going to be looking at these Skullcandy Jibs XT truly wireless earbuds. Stay tuned. Alright, so I got this as a gift. My son bought it for me. He knows that I'm going to the gym a lot, so he wanted me to have comfortable headphones. So he found these on Amazon. I think he told me $18 or $17, which I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart that my son got these. That mean a lot to me. But we're gonna look at the features. It's Bluetooth. It has up to 6 hours of battery life. It's splash resistant. I can't even talk. You could talk, skip tracks, up and down volume, and it has a nice presentation when you pop them up. I don't know if with the glare can you see it. Let me put it at an angle. There you go. You can see it with an angle. So you can see the ear tips. It goes in the ear. It comes with little clips, different ear tips for your ear hole, I guess you could call it, and then different gel that hold on into your ear. So let's open it up and let's see what we get inside. Got my knife right here. Let's open it up. Come on. Shout out to Ryu and Chanli for stopping by. They wanted to see this one. And what's dope about these is they're blue, and it's kind of hard to find different headphones or earbuds blue, and it's pretty dope. So this is what you get here. Let's pop it up. Let's take it out of here. I don't want to break it before I even use it. It's nice packed up in there. Okay, so it comes with it's micro USB charging, which is not bad. It is what it is. So I'm gonna just add this one to the other collections that I have. The ear tips, let me move this out of the way. Okay, so we got 3 different ear tips. So I guess, all right, these 2 is one side and these 2 are different side, and I guess this one is the bigger side because it goes from small, medium, large, and then the little to fit your ears properly. They gave you different ones. Here's the tip and the papers. You really don't look at them. So I'm gonna see if it has any charge. Let's check it out real quick. Let's see the buttons, how it works. So this one is kind of empty. Don't have nothing to show. This one has a little microphone right here. Down, up, I guess, to pause it, play it, pick up the phone call, end the phone call. And then right here is where you charge. Let me open it up so y'all can see it properly. And right here is where you charge your earbuds. So let's see if it has any power. All right, most likely it doesn't have any power. Let me charge it up and we'll be right back, and let's see how it looks, how it functions, and everything. All right, so I got it working. Needed a half an hour charge. Got it working, got it all set up. Pretty easy to set it up. Hold this button down, the middle one. You hold it down for a few seconds. It will start blinking. Let me see if I can do it real quick. Okay, I turned it off. So if I turn it on and hold it, there you go. It's the pairing process. So I'm already paired to my device. Let's do it again. So let's connect it. It's paired, 100% remaining. Pretty nice. When you control the volume up and down, it comes up in the screen. Oh, let me go back. There you go. It comes up in the screen. So sound quality, it's okay. It's $18, $17. For that price, it's alright. It's more for if I'm in the gym and I want to take my headphones, which I would do a review of it. I just would take these, nice and dope. It matches my Note 10 Plus, aka Nipsey Blue. So I really can't complain. I'm gonna play this is my boy's song, Legal Alien. I'm gonna leave a link down below if y'all want to see the video. He shot a video for it. It's pretty dope. So let me play it. This is the sound quality. I'm gonna put it next to my mic so y'all can hear it. One thing that I noticed, even though it doesn't say that it's 5.0 Bluetooth or nothing like that, but I don't know if y'all realized it, but it was on par with the track. It didn't seem any lag, any delay in it. It was right on it, on point. Me, I'll definitely, if somebody want to give a gift and you don't know what to give them, these Bluetooth, they're pretty good with bass. It's not crazy bass, but the bass is there. I really recommend these headphones, these earbuds to anybody if you want to give them a gift. It's pretty dope. I like the color. If I'm not mistaken, I've seen them in blue, red, white, black. Whatever they have on Amazon, it is what it is, but I definitely recommend these headphones. All right, this is how they look on my ears. Nice and discreet, not a big deal. You know, you already have earbuds, so I know I gotta shave. My bad. Hopefully in a few days I get my appointment to get a haircut and all that good stuff. See, one thing I like about removable earbuds, and if you could change the ear tips, which I find dope, is, let's say sometimes you don't realize that you have a bunch of wax in your ears and you think you cleaned them last night, but you didn't. The good thing is that they're easy to take out, and you just clean them up. They don't gotta be in there. Take them out, clean them up, do what you gotta do. It had like something in there. Clean them up, put them on, and what I usually do is I will push this rubber up this way, push it up so I know where I'm going with it, and it has a little groove that it won't let it go past that, and it's easy to go, man. That's pretty dope what they did there. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please do. It's your boy Cartoon. Peace.